Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Social Science Geography Part 2, First Lesson Environment. You know what is environment? Our surroundings is environment. You got this concept already in your previous classes. What is environment? You know? Yes, environment is our surroundings. Our school has a environment, your house have a environment, our surroundings is environment. In your textbook given a beautiful definition about environment. What is environment? People, things, nature surrounded any living organisms is known as environment. Okay, what is environment? People, things, and nature surrounded any living organism is known as environment. Okay, pupil, pupil means we are the pupil. Things means book, pen, desk, bench. Okay, we can see that nature means our beautiful nature, our surroundings. Surrounded any living organisms is known as environment. In your textbook, you can see a diagram, components of environment. That means there are two kinds of components of environment, or components means factors. We can see two kinds of factors in our environment. The first one is natural and second one is human made. We can see that two kinds of the environmental factors in our surroundings. The first one natural components, second one human made components. Okay, can you say the examples for the natural and human made components of environment? Yes, natural environment and human made environment, there are the two kinds of the components of environment. First one natural environment, second one human made environment. Okay, and please look this table. After understanding or learning all the points and things in this chapter, you have to complete this table immediately and send it to me the correct answer given the classification of the natural environment and human made environment. Okay, please listen. What is this? This is a, yes, mountain. Mountain is an example of the natural environment or human made environment. Yes, natural environment, naturally formed. The geographical geographical feature is mountains. Then next one, river. River is another example of natural environment. Then next one is that we can see what is the, yes, this is the soil or the grass. Okay, these are examples for the natural environment. So natural environment, we can see that first one is what is the mountains, and then next one rivers, then next one the natural or plants are examples for the natural environment. Then please look, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is the fort. Okay, and you studied a number of the fort in your 6th standard textbook, in history textbook. Fort, what is fort? Fort is a big wall surrounded in a palace. Fort is an example for what is human made environment. Okay, the next one, this is the railway or train or railway track. Railway track is not a natural made, it is a human made. Natural made, it is not a natural made, but it is a human made. Okay, so, and natural environment, we divided into four parts. The first one is that lithosphere. Natural environment broadly divided into four types four types of features. So we can see that on the basis of the four type of features we divided natural environment into four. First one lithosphere, second one hydrosphere, third one atmosphere, and fourth one biosphere. First one is that lithosphere. Lithosphere, lith means, lith, you studied about Neolithic, microlithic. Lith means stone or rock. Lithosphere means solid crust or hard top layer of earth is known as the lithosphere. Lithosphere is very rough part of earth. It is a hardest part of earth. Example, mountain, plateau, and plains are example for the lithosphere. Lithosphere is, and we sit, we stand, we play, we construct our home, the railway, transportation, and then farming, industries, factories, everything working on in the lithosphere. Lithosphere, if there is no lithosphere, we can't get any single piece of bricks or stone for the house construction. Okay, so this is the lithosphere. Lithosphere is yes, solid crust or hard top layer of earth. The next one, hydrosphere, is the domain of water. You know how much water in our earth? Our earth is known as the water planet. 3 by 4 portion of our earth is what is the water. So the domain of water is referred as the hydrosphere. The water seeing area we called hydrosphere. Okay. Example, river, backwater, oceans are the parts of hydrosphere. Okay, clear? Yes, the third one, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Yes, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is thin layer of earth is known as atmosphere. Thin layer. Our atmosphere is just like a blanket surrounded our earth, that we called atmosphere. Atmosphere contain several things. You study in your EVS classes, gases, water vapor, dust, smoke, cloud, etc. etc. contain the atmosphere. Okay. The fourth one, biosphere, plants and animals coming together in a system we called biosphere, plants and animals, and they interdepending with each other system we called biosphere. Human beings is there, animal beings is there, plants is there, and the living things existence parts we called biosphere. In biosphere we can see only the living things, and just like the plants is the living things, animals is the living things. Okay, so the our natural environment broadly divided into four: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Clear? Okay. Now the next one, you can see one picture in your textbook. You can see several types of different types of animals are they locating in a particular place. This is be called, what is, this be called ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Plants, animals and human beings are depend each other in their immediate surroundings. Those we called what is ecosystem. Okay, and here we can see that environment protect human being. It is the duty to protect our environment. Okay, and I think you got all the points we discussed in this class, and so you have to be study very carefully, and we will see the next live class we will discuss deeply all these matters. Okay, thank you.